Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send voice messages on email. You can send these voice messages via Vocal easily, so click the link in the description box to try Vocal for free. Let's dive into the demo. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link from the results page. On the Chrome Web Store page, search for the Vocal extension in the search bar. You will see the Vocal extension by vocal.email. Select Add to Chrome and then choose Add Extension to download it. Once you have done that, the Vocal extension then will be visible in the Extensions menu. After installing Vocal, go to the Gmail page. Select Compose to start writing a new email. Here, now you'll see a microphone icon in your Gmail interface. Just click on it and Vocal will ask you to grant permission to use the microphone. Select Grant Permission and then click on Allow. Once done, you will see that the voice message has started recording. You can pause the recording, reset it if needed, and once you're done, click on Stop the recording. Click on the play button to hear your voice note. You can rename, redo, download, and upload the voice memo too. By clicking on the setting icon, you will see that you can customize your message, change the file name, select themes, add your signature image, and decide whether to attach the MP3 recording. Lastly, you can also choose your speakers, but here the default speakers are already selected. Once ready, you can send the voice message easily, and the recipient can listen directly from their email or via the Vocal. That's it. Don't forget to use the link in the description box to try Vocal for free. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.